Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and press the bell icon to get my notifications. Start with a magic circle and chain 3. Three treble crochets. To make a treble, yarn over twice, pull up a loop, pull through the first 2 loops, pull through the next 2 loops, and finally the last 2 loops. Now 2 more trebles. Three double crochets, chain 1, 1 treble crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochets, three treble crochets, chain 3 and slip stitch into the magic circle. And pull this loop to close the gap and weave off. That's your heart done. I hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.